This guide shows the steps to access Workspot-hosted virtual applications and desktops using IGEL OS. Begin by clicking on the Workspot web client icon. You'll then need to input your company's unique identifier. Following this, provide your login credentials. Here we're using Microsoft Entra ID for authentication. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be able to view the available applications and desktops. For this demonstration, we'll open a VDI desktop. Depending on Workspot's policy settings, you may encounter a second login prompt, which allows for the option to save your login details for future use. The Workspot web client establishes a connection through a specific customer gateway, ensuring a secure link to your VDI desktop. Upon successful connection, you'll gain access to your VDI desktop, signifying the completion of a secure connection process.